Right now, the QR code app is doing all of the image decoding on the main thread. It's hard work, and it sometimes introduces a bit of jank to the app. This is actually a perfect situation for web workers. Image decoding can be handled in a separate thread by a worker, while the main thread is simply concerned with delivering 60 frame per second video. The main thread can send off the image data to the worker so it can do its analysis, and then when it's done, the worker will simply post the data back to the main thread. In this case, the processed data that the worker thread will be sending back to the main thread is simply a URL if the QR code was resolved or undefined if not. Now, I am about to give you some hints about where you should do your work, including things like where you should be putting the worker. But, to be honest, you might actually enjoy reverse engineering the QR code app yourself and trying to figure out where to spawn the web worker. So, if you are feeling brave and up to the challenge, stop this video right now and just hit the Continue to Quiz button. Alright, there's my advice. Here we go into some hints. The big question to ask yourself is, where will I be doing most of the work for this quiz? You will actually be able to find the web worker in a mostly ready state inside app scripts qrworker.js. You'll need to spawn the web worker from inside the QR code manager, which you can find in main.js. You should be posting data to the web worker from inside the detect QR code function, which you can find inside the same object. And you'll notice that qrworker.js includes a lot of scripts. Right now they're already in index.html, but with the worker they're pretty much redundant, so go ahead and remove them. Okay, and there's one last thing. You might encounter a small bug when the main thread starts receiving messages from the worker. I'm just going to leave it up to you to figure out what it is and how to fix it. Alright, good luck. Check the box here once you've got the web worker working.